It's not that bad. It's good. Now I'm gonna do put give me a filter on and check spark plug.
And these were the father of Peter, Jezreel, and Ishmael, and Idbash. And the name of their sister was Hazel and Bilhah. And Penuel, the father of Geder, and Ezer, the father of Usha. These are the sons of Ephrathah, the father of Bethlehem. And Asher, the father of Tekoa, had two wives, Helah and Naarah. And Naarah bare him Ahuzah, and Hepher, and Temanai, and Ahashtarai. These were the sons of Naarah.
This is what that bad one looks like compared to bad. Good. This rubber device can still be reused.